Hi, welcome to Traveling with John. Today we're back at Cache Creek Casino Resort and we're in a new room. This is the third time that I've been here, and today's video is going to be an ADA room. So this is for people that are handicapped. So I'm going to show you this room. The room number is 8060. It's on the 8th floor. As you can see, it has 2 peepholes. So I have entered, and it's a very spacious room. As you can see, has the barn door, and as I walk in, it has the light switches for the bathroom. As you can see, it has a bathtub, and this is the bench for when you want to sit down and shower. This lowers, and then you can have a seat while you're showering, and it's a good sized tub, pretty deep shower, all the accessible handles and controls. So it's a beautiful shower with plenty of shower heads, places you can set your towels and soaps and whatnot. And it also comes with their own brand LUE hand and body wash, conditioner, and shampoo. As you can see, has a towel rack. So I'm gonna place this back up to lock it. So I will be using the tub tonight. As you can see, it has plenty of towels, 1 sink, huge mirror, and then you have like a vanity mirror over there to the right, outlets, and this is how you turn it on and off the light. Has a couple of glasses, Kleenex, soap, body lotion, as you can see. So because this is a handicap accessible bathroom, it's huge. So you can wheel in through the barn door with your wheelchair, and then turn around because you have plenty of space. The toilet, it has a shelf there as well to have a seat. It has the grab bars, and then we'll continue in to the main room. So this has 2 queen size beds instead of 1 king bed, as you can see, and it has its like ottoman seat benches in front of each bed. You have your thermostat right there, artwork, comfortable bed, reading lamps for each bed, and there's an outlet down there, and there's another outlet right here. I plugged my phone in to show where you can plug your extra items, and it has a USB outlet right here, your clock with your settings, plugs, and then you have master light switch on each side of the this console here for if you have more than one person This bed has light control switch as well to control all the lights. Reading lamp, another bed as I said. And then over here is the fridge. And it has three drawers for your clothes, your undergarments, or whatever you want to place in the drawers. That's a standard drawer. Good sized TV, as you can see. Coffee mugs, glassware, ice bucket. You have your pods with coffee and tea and instructions. Your Keurig, coffee maker, free water, phone, desk to work at, lamps all throughout. So it's very well lit, very high ceilings. And in my other videos, I think I said 8 feet. It might be 10, 12. I'm just guessing. You have a comfortable chair to sit and another lamp. And then it has its handles here. They're clear for the curtains. So you can open the, you have the room darkening curtains right here. And then you have the sheer curtains if you want to let light in, or, you know, you want the night light to come through. So this room looks onto the hillside of Cache Creek. And then if you look further down, there's the main entrance road where you see the cars leaving. So that's the main road to get into the property, other rooms. And then the last thing to this room tour is the closet. So the closet has an ironing board, iron, and hangers. So all the hangers are low, so people that are in wheelchairs can access the hangers. And here's a safe as well for storing your personal items. So they have extra blankets and pillows and everything you need. You can always call down to the front desk if you need any additional items delivered to your room. But this is my third visit, well, third stay at Cache Creek, and this is a room tour as well. Full-length mirror. There's an adjoining door. If you have another party next door, you can enter through this door. Anytime you have an adjoining room, make sure that it is locked before you leave. So if someone's in the next room, they won't have access to your room. So this is the room tour that I have provided. And this is on the 8th floor of Cache Creek. And the room number again is 8060, 8th floor. All right, I hope you liked my videos that I have brought to you. So there will be a library of Cache Creek rooms that I have stayed in on my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you have stayed in these beautiful hotel rooms. This, which I forgot to mention, is in the new tower. This is the South Tower. So in each video I will describe which tower I'm staying in. I've stayed in both towers. So this is the newer tower of the Cache Creek Resort. Okay, this video's getting long. Until next time, hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you soon. Have a good one.